Ever found yourself struggling with a stubborn jar lid that just won't budge? Or perhaps you've burnt your rice one too many times? Welcome to a world of kitchen hacks that will turn your culinary challenges into triumphs. We begin with the age-old problem of stubborn jar lids. The solution is easier than you might think. Simply tap the lid gently on the edge of your counter or use a rubber glove for extra grip. This should make the lid easier to twist off. Next up, the dreaded burnt rice. Did you know that all you need to do to avoid this is to rinse your rice thoroughly before cooking? This helps remove the excess starch, which often causes the rice to stick to the bottom of the pot and burn. Now, let's talk about keeping your vegetables fresh. It's simple, really. Store them in airtight containers in the refrigerator. This will keep them crisp and fresh for longer. And if you're tired of your cutting board slipping and sliding around while you chop, just place a damp kitchen towel underneath it. This will provide the stability you need to chop safely and efficiently. Lastly, let's tackle the issue of peeling garlic. Rather than struggling with a knife, simply place the garlic clove under the flat side of your knife and give it a gentle press. The skin will come right off. To summarize, we've learned 5 key kitchen tips today. With these tips in your culinary repertoire, you're on your way to becoming a kitchen whiz. Enjoy the journey, and remember, the kitchen is a place for creativity and fun.